What are the best snacks for weight loss? Are you tired of munching on the same old boring snacks while trying to shed those extra pounds? Fear not, because we're here to introduce you to the best snacks for weight loss. First up is the classic yet nutritious option, mixed nuts. Packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, these delicious little wonders can keep your hunger at bay and boost your metabolism. Greek yogurt and mixed berries make another satisfying combo. High in protein and antioxidants, this duo offers a tangy and sweet treat for your taste buds without piling on the calories. How about some cottage cheese? Low in fat but high in protein, this versatile snack can be enjoyed with fruit, veggies, or even whole grain crackers for a wholesome pick-me-up. For the crunch lovers, air-popped popcorn is a fantastic choice. Low in calories, high in fiber, and super satisfying, it's the perfect guilt-free munchie to curb your cravings. Keep it fresh and flavorful with sliced veggies and hummus. This nutrient-dense snack provides essential vitamins and minerals, as well as the protein and fiber needed to keep you feeling full. If you've got a sweet tooth, dark chocolate and almonds are your new best friends. Rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, this tasty combo will satisfy your cravings without sabotaging your diet. Chia pudding is another delightful option that's both delicious and nutritious. Packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, it's a filling and versatile snack that can be customized to your liking. Last but not least, don't forget about the humble boiled egg. A powerhouse of protein and essential nutrients, it's the perfect small meal to keep you fueled and focused throughout the day. With these tasty and healthy options in your snack arsenal, weight loss doesn't have to feel like a chore. So go ahead and indulge in these guilt-free treats and watch the pounds melt away. Don't forget to subscribe.